Hello friend, today I will show you how to create a USB bootable device. So to do that, first we need to open the command prompt, click on start button, search for command, right click and run as administrator. So now we will run command this part, there is this part, press enter. Now we are inside the disk command. So here it is. We will run the list space disk command to show all the disks attached in this computer. List space disk. So now it's showing that disk 0. It's our uh, system hard disk, and then another one is this one. It's our 14 GB USB drive. So now we will select the disk one. So to select that, we need to run the command select space disk space one. So this one is now selected. So another command is clean to cleaning up the disk. Run the clean command. Okay. Now we will create the primary partition on the disk one. So we will run the command create space partition and space primary partition space primary. Press enter. Okay. So another one is select partition one. Now we'll select the partition one by running the command select partition one. Okay, partition one is now the selected partition. Now we will run the active command so that the partition one is an active partition. Okay, after that we will run the format command, just typing the format space fs equal to ntfs. So we are formatting our flash drive by using the command format, and fs is a file system, so we are using the ntfs file system to formatting this flash drive. uh, Here it is. It will take some time, like 2 to 3 minutes or more than that, to complete this setup. We will wait till the setup completed. %, completed. So as we cannot wait for the 2 to 3 minutes, so I'm forwarding this video. Okay, now it's 100% completed. So we will wait for the message. Here it is. This part successfully formatted the volume. So now we will run the another command is assign. So this command will assign a drive letter to the flash drive. Okay. So it is done. Now we will exit from this part. Now we are on the C Windows. From here we will go to the path where we have copied our Windows 7 setup on a folder. So I'm going to the D drive where I have copied the setup. So its command is cd space Windows 7 setup, that is the folder name, and here we are now inside the Windows 7 setup folder, and run, and we need to go to the boot folder so that we can run a boot sector command to make our device USB drive as a bootable. So first we need to check what the letter assigned to the USB drive. So now I'm checking it, it's a G. So G is the letter which is assigned to the USB drive. So now I will run the command, that is bootsector.exe /NT60 NT60 space G. G is the USB drive letter. So press the enter. So now the NTFS file system boot code is copied on the G drive. So our device is now bootable. Okay. So what we need to do now? Just exit from this window, and we will now open. We now going to copy the all the file and folder from the Windows 7 setup, which is in our D drive. So I will copy from there via the command prompt. So I'm using the command xcopy to copy file and folder from one drive to another drive, or one folder to another folder. So xcopy space /s signature is parameter is for to copy all the file and folder on subfolder from this drive. D Windows 7 setup. Okay, this is the source folder location. Here then start or star is for copy of the file and folder, and the destination is G drive, that is G. Press enter. So now all the files and folder are copying to the G drive. You can do it via the GUI mode. Just click on the my computer and go to the path where you have copied your Windows 7 setup. Just copy all the file and folder from there and paste it on the G drive. You can do this also, but I am doing it via the command prompt. So it will take some time to complete the opening of the file. So we will wait for that. Once the setup, once the this setup is completed, so you can use your Pendrive to install Windows 7 on any computer. Okay. Okay, now it's completed. All the files are copied to the G drive. So done. So you can use your pen drive to install Windows 7 on any computer. Okay, now your pen drive is bootable. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, comments and share my videos, and also